Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope everybody's well. This is an interesting package because I've never owned what's inside here. This is coming all the way from Ireland and I ordered it a while back. Yes. CHUBB. Let me just see if I can get a bit of lighting there for you. So it's a 60mm with a 9.5mm shackle. Heavy spring on it. I've been trying to find something with something like this for a while and just not very successful. So I did find someone. So this is my first one that I own anyway. So, got a little tarnish on the bottom. That's the keyway there. Don't know how I'm going to approach this today. I know that my hands are extremely sore from work and some training I was doing, and yeah, so there we go guys. This is the CHUBB 60mm. I'm just going to try to figure out in a second if this thing is binding. Okay. Seems like I do have tension. Don't know a lot about CHUBB. I'm not sure if there's security pins. Right now, I haven't felt any. It's a 5-pinner. I think it's binding ever so slightly, but it's binding. So let's see here. That was 4. Yeah, I like to push the tensioner all the way down, or else it doesn't allow me to get the lift that I want on the pins. So See, that looks a little bit. Turning it on an angle, trying to get the wrench off the base there. And there we go, guys. Holy crap, take a look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at the freaking crap that's inside there. Holy jeez. Now, I'm going to show you guys the position of the tensioner, because before I made that change, I wasn't feeling anything at all. So anyways, we got the open on that. It's an interesting key. So I'll see if I can just show you this. This is fucking brutal. I don't know if it's my eyes today or... So originally, I think I'm going to close it up and show you guys. Yeah, so originally, if you look at the bottom of the keyway tensioner, oh man, okay, I was binding right there. So when I readjusted, this is what I did. I don't know if you guys can now see that gap there at the bottom, and immediately allowed me to break the pins free, and didn't take long after that. So we talk about the tension being #1 in the game. It definitely is, because I wasn't feeling anything until I made that little adjustment. And I'll show you the key. I've never seen, this thing was filthy inside. It's actually a very nice key, because I think you're looking at pretty much gatekeepers, but 3 and 4, and then getting up to 5 there. So I'm satisfied with this. This is my first CHUBB ever, and I'm glad that I got to do it for you guys out of package today. So hopefully you enjoyed that video on the CHUBB padlock brass hardened steel shackle 60mm and 9.5mm on the shackle, guys. Enjoy the video. Thank you very much. Like, subscribe. As always, I appreciate your support. Thank you.